Hello everybody. We have with us Dr. Afsar Raza. Afsar Raza. He is studying in Tumkur. He got a government free medical seat. The story of this boy is just not a normal, common story, because what challenges he has went through, or the family has went through, I think I cannot describe in word, because in the level when he joined, father was an imam in the mosque, but things I think started much worse in the family when his father left the job, and he did not have any job for almost 1.5 years, and he was admitted in the hospital. There was no earner in the family, and this boy could not make it in the first attempt, and he was there at home, and at a moment I think he decided to leave the studies also. Father came again. He had that belief in the child. I remember that day he asked, "Sir, can you give the chance to my son?" I said, "Anywhere I'll give." Everything, whatever he was asking, I could not resist, because I knew the situation. I gave. At the end, I made the child to study in the institution for free of cost. So the matter was on the books. I asked the father, "Why don't you go and just pay the books fees and admit the child?" Father asked me, "Sir, do you have..." I'm just telling you to understand what is required for the children or the family to have a bigger dream. It is not the financial constraints, I should say, because the father asked me, he was Maulvi, but was not in the job. So, "Sir, do you have any sadqa or khairat which you can do for 2,000 rupees? I want to purchase my child's books." That was the moment I felt, I prayed to God that Allah gives him what he deserves, what he wished. And Alhamdulillah, on behalf of entire Falcon family, I'm so glad in the family that one day when he did not come to the institution, I was shouting at him, "Why didn't you come?" He said, "Sir, last night there was raining. It was raining." I said, What is the problem if it was raining last night?" "पूरा पानी घर के अंदर आ गया था सर, हम पूरे लोग पूरी रात चीजों को हाथों में उठाए ठहरे थे." So that was the situation, and that boy, with all the kind of challenges, now in a medical college. It is not a challenge which anybody or everybody faces, which what he has faced or his family has faced. But at the end, I'm so glad that he made it. He has achieved the dream of his own or his family. I congratulate him for this great fees which he secured in 2019, and now studying in Tumkur in Shri Devi Medical College. Congratulations for your great NEET feast of 2019. Any message which you have for the other students, those who are still pursuing 11th and 12th, those who are aspiring to get into medical college?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम अफसर रज़ा। जैसा कि सुभान सर बोले, उस टाइम हमारे अब्बू के पास बनने के वास्ते फ़ीस नहीं थी, लेकिन सुभान सर बोल के पढ़ाए। तो मेरा मैसेज ये है कि फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम है तो भी पढ़ाई छोड़ना नहीं, मोटिवेशन रहना। सुभान सर मोटिवेशन देते रहते। उस दिन मुझे अभी भी याद है, जिस दिन सुभान सर बोले थे, "आप सिर्फ पढ़ाई में ध्यान दीजिए, फीस का हमें देख लेते हैं।" उस दिन से मुझे मोटिवेशन मिली, तब से उस दिन से पढ़ने लगा। सुभान सर एवरी टाइम आते थे टेस्ट पेपर्स लेके। उस दिन जिस दिन आते थे टेस्ट पेपर्स लेके, उस दिन और मोटिवेशन देते थे सुभान सर के नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी टेस्ट लिखूं तो अच्छे मार्क्स लाऊं, कि आप कभी भी नहीं रुकें, आप पढ़ते रहिए,
कभी हिम्मत नहीं हारे, और टाइम ज़ाया नहीं करें। वही टाइम आपका क्रूशियल रहता है, आपका टाइम वो ज़ाया नहीं करें। अगर वो उस टाइम को ज़ाया करेंगे तो उसी टाइम का मज़ा है, आगे जाके आपके लिए तकलीफ का ये बनेगा। बायोलॉजी में अब्दुल्ला सर थे, वो बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते थे और वो रैपिड रिवीजन कराते थे, कॉन्सेप्ट को पकड़ना सिखाया उन्होंने। और जिस दिन भी टेस्ट होता था, उस टेस्ट के बाद आते थे, वो टेस्ट रिव्यू रहता था, उस टाइम और सीखने को मिला अब्दुल्ला सर से। मोटिवेशन करते थे बहुत वो अब्दुल्ला सर। केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, वैसे ही सब टीचर्स बहुत बिल्कुल अच्छे से पढ़ाते थे, मोटिवेशन करते थे। तो इसी से हमको हौसला अफजाई मिली। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी MBBS पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं श्री देवी में।